the CL500A spectrophotometer, and today we'll be looking at how to use this in the laboratory. So basically this has a screen here for spectral power measurement, which is followed by 4 buttons, which is the menu, which can also be used as return, back, up, and down. And it is powered by a lithium battery, which has a port at the bottom, and also can be powered by USB and also be connected to the computer. It has a cover here at the front, which is used to protect the receptor and also for zero calibration. And it has a measurement button here. So this is used for measuring luminescence in foot candles or in lux, and for measuring color temperature, CRI, and chromaticity in XY coordinates or U prime, V prime.
Now I'll be showing how to take a measurement with the CL500A. At first, what we have to do is do the zero calibration. So we go to menu, then we go down, this is zero calibration, press the return button, and then we have to put the cover to make sure it gives the accurate results, and then we press measure. So now it's calibrating. Okay, so this is done. We go back. Now the zero calibration is done. We'll take a measurement in the dark at first. So we open this, and we just have to press the measure button to take the measurement. Okay, so we have received the values. So this is the illuminance for EV. This shows 0.91, and X and Y, this is the chromaticity. So now we'll take a look what is the difference between a dark place and what if we take the reading in a bright place. So we'll take a reading of the light. So just press the measure button here. Now we can see the difference. It gives a very much higher value for the luminance, which is 545, and the chromaticity, the XY plane, is 0.392 and 0.3951.
Now we are going to measure the light spectra using computer. So firstly we open from my cell. Here we open template spectra. Okay, now we click on add-ins and CL-S10W, and we select measure. Then we appear a box here like this. Then we can choose either we want to make one measurement or we can make multiple measurement using interval. But here we are using interval measurement, and also the data will be added by column unit. So we click here, and then we click on device head to do zero calibration. Before we do the zero calibration, first we attach the cap here. You can see. Okay. Now cap is attached. Now I can click here. Okay, and start calibrating. Okay, now we have done zero calibration. So we remove the cap here. Remove it, and we going to select the data to be measured here. We click on select item, and then we choose spectral to be measured, and we click here to put it on the selected item list. You can see the spectral is on the bottom part of the selected item. We move it to the top by clicking here, and then we should compare all the selected item is written here in the Excel sheet. So we move accordingly the spectral below the peak wavelength, so that mesh here at the Excel sheet. Then we click OK to agree with the selected item, and then now we can start measuring by clicking start.